You got it all folded up?
Yeah.
Good job.
Me?
Yeah. Come here. Tell your mom. So I'm going to send this to your mommy. Gotta say hi.
Hi, Mama.
Anything else cool to say?
Where's Mom?
She's not. I gotta send it to her. She's not on the other side of the phone.
Hey, Mama.
Why don't you ask her for chocolate milk?
Where's Mom? Hey, Mommy. Hey, I.
All this moving around is gonna make your mom sick when she watches this. All right, say I love you.
I love you.
Bye.